Harbin has been busy facilitating athletes from across Asia as they push their limits at the 9th Asian Winter Games. Driving nearly 200 kilometers away from the downtown of Harbin, we've come to Yabuli, where snow events are being held.
亚冬会第一块金牌首金就是从我们左手边这个场地从油槽出来的立方会，这个是对我最大的一个就是心悬的给放下来的一个点，就是第一比赛顺利进行了，第二大家没有受伤，第三咱们中国的拿到了第一块金牌，这个是非常让人高兴的一个地方。
Precision was repeated many times during my conversation with Jiang.
这个东西需要精细，场地的设计、建造和每天结束以后的维护，关系着运动员的安全。手上的这个活儿一定要稳，一定要细。很多一些国家，比如说沙特，比如说阿富汗和泰国、柬埔寨，他们是没有这种室外的自然环境可以训练的，他是做不了大动作，或者他不敢去跳这个大台子。所以我们团队呢，就又为他们单独设计了和修建了2个小的台子。我们最早来的时候是9月底的时候，当时这边还是一片石头啊、土啊，只是我一步一步就会走上去，去测量，然后看这个场地，看它的整个的一个基础的一个情况，去感受到我们这个场地的每天的状况、每天的进步和变化。
就每一场比赛心都是悬的。
每一场比赛，我都会站在这儿看这些运动员，所有的运动员在这上都安安全全的、健健康康的落下来完成比赛，做完动作，这个是我们最大的一个愿望。
It was a big project, a lot of communications, people eyeing projects, so not easy, but we do what we do, so it's okay. Yeah, sure. Always. The best thing, I think, for me to make this, to make the parks and shape it and maintain it. The main thing, it should work and it should be safe for athletes, for even people who work here, because we're also thinking about the roads, technical roads and or other things to make everything safe. We calculate everything, the speed, the distances, because otherwise it will not work. But the competitions show us that everything works.